For retreat families, it's a matter of filling out the application online. We're here to listen. We're not here to solve things, but we're here to just listen to your story. And I think through that you convey a sense of we're here to just love you, and once again offer that sense of there's hope, and I think that builds community.
It's doing a lot of what Jesus did when he was in ministry. He just walked around with hurting people, broke bread together, and it's just been a really special week so far.
You will see once you apply, we typically take families who have not attended before first. They get first preference. If you've not attended Starlight Shores before, then we keep a wait list of families who have come before in the past. And we just are excited for retreat families to join us in this, and it's really filling out the application online and inviting the other families that you know too that might be going through the journey, who this would be a really good experience for.